installing a RIFT carbon fiber wing on the McLaren 720S. This one already has a RIFT exhaust that we installed actually a couple days ago. But yeah, let's go ahead and install a really cool wing. First thing, just remove these lovely bolts. There's 3 on either side. So they just got the third brake light out. Takes a little bit of effort. Takes a little bit of effort to get that out, but just be careful. So Dan's rewiring it back into the carbon fiber one. That works. So this is the wing difference between the RIFT and a little bit more dimension and a little bit more aggression. That's a... Good Lord. This...
You were in the way.
This just looks so much more aggressive.
Yeah. You look more aggressive.
Nothing on it. You got it. You said the same.
It's authentic, baby. That's authentic.
It is.
That is legit.
I always wish that was a bottle opener.
Bottle opener would be cool.
Any of
Authentic. Still has to be calibrated. Otherwise, it'll freak out. But this is what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like now at the end. And we still have to calibrate it because it'll freak out regardless. But this is what it's looking like now. The OEM wing ends like right here. So you've got all this extra, this is like a couple inches worth of extra aero and downforce. And this is such an aggressive looking wing. I love it. It looks so good. So glad that it matches the OEM carbon fiber as well. This car just looks so good. The orange with the black, and then you've got those beautiful signature wheels, which he has new signature wheels coming in for this car. It's a different style, but it'll be roughly the same kind of color. This is just how aggressive the wing is. It's like almost 2 hands worth of space and downforce, which is insane. Now RIFT offers a forged carbon fiber wing as well, and then also a carbon fiber option for it to just look OEM, but I'm so glad that this customer went with the more aggressive look. I think it really helps enhance the look of the body lines and the car itself. Now this car does have to get tuned. Hydra Motorworks is actually tuning this car for us, so that is going to be happening soon. It should be done later this week, and we'll be able to start the car up and hopefully get it running and going. I'm really excited. This is going to be close, if not at 900 to the wheels, so it's a lot of power. It's a lot of effort put into this car, but it's going to be very well worth it. That just looks so good. Like, that wing is just so predominant. I do really think that he is going to want some front end carbon fiber as well as side skirts and maybe the diffuser. But just looking at this, it's so beautiful. It's so aggressive. I'm in love with the 720S platform. Cannot wait for this thing to be alive again. Couple of days in advance, this is a completed McLaren 720S with the RIFT wing and the RIFT exhaust in full action. This is just a little teaser if you decide to stay to the end of the video, but this is what it's looking like. Brand new signature wheels on there from the customer who picked them out himself. We've got the wing, got the exhaust. Let's go ahead and take a really quick look around at it. This is so cool. It looks so good. And the client is going to do the side skirts as well as the front lip. So this car will be back in a couple of weeks to get that done, but we've got these signature wheels. These are beautifully done wheels. Very nice touch for the McLaren. Looking at the wing in person, and then you've got that exhaust. That is a nasty sounding exhaust. This thing is so sick. It is so beautiful. It's incredibly aggressive, and I'm in love with this Papaya Spark. Just looking at it. That is going to do it officially for this video. Enjoyed this video with the install and showing you guys what it looks like. Please give it a huge thumbs up. I'll be sure to update you guys on the install of the side skirts as well as the front lip. Really excited to have this car back already. With the tune, this car is making close to 900 to the wheels. Huge thank you to Hydra Motorworks for tuning this car remotely. If you guys need any RIFT parts installed, we are an authorized RIFT installer, and I highly recommend you come see us, come check us out. We can get your McLaren, we can get your Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, whatever it may be. We are an authorized RIFT installer, and come see what we're all about. We're happy to do transport as well if you're out of state or a long distance. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.